Welcome back to another interview at the FastBull Finance Summit Dubai. I'm Adel, the host. Today we have Nikhil with us, who is a gold trader and visitor. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Doing good. It's a nice event.
Thanks for being on our show. We are here to educate on the TV platform. We're here to educate all kinds of people here who are new to blockchain as well as open to business. So tell us what brings you here today.
I'm here out of curiosity in terms of the development in the trading space.
Right.
And there's a lot of activity in the financial market, especially this year, due to geopolitical reasons and because of the fact that, yes, the gold market, where I'm generally interested, I trade in the gold markets. You're seeing a lot of action over there. So I'm here to see what's there on the tech side and in the solution space in terms of trading.
It's interesting you mentioned geopolitical issues because we're seeing lots of tension developing in the space because of the whole tariff trade war that's happening between U.S., not just U.S. and China, but also other regions. I wonder, now you trade gold. Would you say gold is a safe haven asset?
Certainly, yes.
Why do you say that?
So if you look at gold, gold primarily, it's got a track record of several centuries. It's not just the last 10 or 100 years. I mean, if you go back the last 500 years, it has been a mode of exchange between individuals or kingdoms, so to say. It's just that in the last 100 years, you have had the concept of the country state, where they were on gold for a while and then they moved to the fiat currency model.
Right.
But yes, it is certainly there because you can print fiat currency out of thin air. True. While you can't. You have a finite supply of gold. So whenever there's uncertainty or risk globally, investors run to the safe haven assets.
That's true.
Yeah.
And I think the reason it's a safe haven asset is because even though you won't see like crazy gains compared to crypto, it's fairly stable. And because of the finite amount that you can't just print gold, this keeps it balanced and safe and stabilized.
Certainly.
So you've been trading how long now?
Over 6 years.
6 years.
Yes.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
So it's been technical trading. I look at it only technically.
Wow.
But it's always good to know what's happening on the fundamental side, which could be like geopolitics or what's happening on the paper trades side, in the actual market.
You mentioned technical. Do you do technical analysis?
Yes.
Okay. How does that work for those who may not be very familiar with it?
So you look at the chart.
Candlestick charts.
Yes, I typically look at candlestick charts. That's a good way of representation.
Which platform do you use? TradingView? Which one?
I use Hot Forex, HF Markets.
Okay.
It's just for the sake of, I mean, I've been using it for a long time, so I've just carried on using it. I do sometimes experiment with the newer platforms, but yes, primarily this is the one.
Okay.
However, I do use TradingView to have a look at my personal portfolio for long-term investing. I think TradingView is a good tool to, it's like an aggregator of different asset classes.
Right.
Could be ETFs, could be options, could be equities or precious metals. That way, yes, TradingView is good for viewing.
Very nice.
For trading, yes, I use a different broker.
So for those who are watching and, they may be interested, maybe some people may be interested in learning about technical analysis, is it an easy process? Where would you advise them to go?
Well, it's a little subjective. It's easy if your mind is easy. as you may have heard at the seminars inside, it depends on your psychology.
True.
If your psychology and your internal tendencies are not clear. So personally, I had a mentor through whom I learned technical analysis. Because as everyone knows, trading is 80% psychology.
True.
There's a lot of unlearning that you need to do, and that takes a little bit of time.
True. Brilliant.
So,
okay. So for those watching, if they're interested in getting in touch with you, are they able to get in touch with you? Like
I'm on LinkedIn, yes. Nikhil Dalvi. You can see me on LinkedIn.
Perfect.
You can put Gold Trader ahead of it, and I think you should find me.
Perfect. I'll make sure we add that. Thanks so much for your time. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Nikhil's profile as a gold trader. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.